take the back way home?
FJ, you have like 4 points. You want to, what about buggies? Go back.
Yeah, I'm gassy.
You're gassy?
Thirsty.
No.
And eating more popcorn. Yeah, I'm getting those.
I've gotten you all into that popcorn.
You get to some popcorn, your mouth is so much.
I like the color, but I don't. It's like
Yeah.
one of those like.
I'm sure it's nice to live.
Imagine how hot it is though.
Baby blue. There's a baby blue house.
Baby blue.
Lauren probably likes that purple. It's like you have to have a bright color.
Yeah, well, you definitely have to have an
Ooh,
interesting
like the
cover.
soft yellow with that green. What, you have to have interesting. So Lydia.
Today is great day. That's a very nice season walk.
You go to the cookie shop?
Here they go again. Vinegar and
You
oil.
should have been listening to me. I said you want to go to the cookie
I
shop.
guess you didn't hear what your dad said because oil and vinegar back there are arguing.
There's a little bakery cookie shop. It's back there. I said y'all want to go, and no one.
You two are arguing.
You two are arguing.
Flying pizza. So which one's going to be oil and which one's going to be, maybe Bella's oil, Lauren's vinegar, because oil is more yellow like Bella's hair.
How's the people doing?
Good. Cotton exchange, Galveston cotton
How do you
exchange.
say good in Spanish?
Bueno.
Yeah. This hay. Always up.
We might need to pull over there so Michaela can jump out. Michaela, will you jump out and toss this in that trash, please? Does anybody else want more of this pop? Oh, my seatbelt. Hold on. Hold on, don't move. Okay, y'all get your last sip and then we're going to toss it.
You got the water too, right?
Eisenhower Park, that's the way back to the Dollar Trail.
Park hours. So what do you think? Should we go straight, girls, or turn right?
She's having had to go pee since the beach. Okay, who has an empty cup? You're not using my sugar cup. You did blue? Well, I don't have any napkins, so just shake.
Rattle and roll.
We'll just let you stand with the breeze. And everyone close your eyes and your mouth. We'll just let you dry, air dry. It's windy. Hope that no one drives by. Wait a second, we just saw her. How is that possible?
She took a
No, we just saw her. How is that possible? Isn't that the same lady? And that's the park where those kids were eating. How did you somehow do a circle? Because that's the park where you said, oh, that'd be a nice place to eat.
Lauren, get out.
Ew, no, she's
Yes,
not.
she is.
No, she's not. You will wait till we get home. Absolutely not on a normal day, especially not now.
Why?
Because I said so. That's so.
Stupid.
You're fine. She can learn how to hold it.
Lauren, is it an emergency? Huh?
Lauren, we're going. Are you kidding me? She can learn how to hold it like the rest of us. I've had to go some too. You just get over it. Now that I think of it, brings back memories of a porta potty because you couldn't hold it back then when there were fireworks in Maryland. When Granny and Grandpa were here, and then you saw the porta potty and started screaming, and then you're like, no, I'm not going in that. What'd you just do?
Hit it over the manual.
Manual?
Yeah.
Like your off-roading thing? Huh? That thing? That other shifter?
Yeah.
Why? Because of the rocks? Or because it's your monthly time to do it?
No, Maggie, it's an accident. That's what I didn't mean to.
So is it back to normal?
Manual means I have to shift like first gear, second gear, third gear.
Is my car back to normal?
Yes. I guess that was just a big circle. Man, how the hell would you even do that? I don't know.
Yeah, I get to see Mr. Trailer Trash.
Yeah, like I really have no idea how we did that.
But probably that lady's laughing and said, like, I just saw you.
It's the other white Jeep.
With the lady with the hot pink hat on.
And three girls in the back and the top. Yep, that one.
And the guy with the bright blue shirt.